everyone, I'm Jules.
And I'm Rick.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're really excited.
What was that?
I don't know.
Was that
Stone?
that?
Was it a stone?
Oh, I thought it was a camera.
Ah! I thought on our first journey we just really had a stone come through the window.
Long drive ahead, but I enjoy driving.
Just as well because I don't. Okay then, let's go. Today we're really excited because we're going on our very first journey with Chica. We're going up to Yorkshire. It's a 5-hour journey and we're just about to leave Essex, and then we're going to go up the M11 right up to Yorkshire. It's going to be somewhere near Bridlington. We've just gone past Stansted Airport. We're on the M11. The weather's not looking too great, but never mind, it doesn't matter. We're staying at a Haven campsite. We've never been there before. It's just really to try out the van, see what we need, see what we don't need. We've loaded up Chica today. She's got lots of food and drink in the cupboards, ready for our new adventure. We will pick you up a little bit later during the journey. So it's quite a long journey, so we'll catch you later on.
Yeah, but before that, I can't wait for my first tea break.
Very soon, very soon. Knowing you, very soon. Far away now, and oh dear, look at the weather. What have we come to? I think we should be going south, not north.
Hey, we made it.
Wish me luck. Whoa, it's cold. Oh.
She's going off to see the security guard for our late check-in. Oh, she's waving. She must have found something. Hopefully it's a 5-star hotel we've got. Five-star hotel, is it?
Yep.
Good. Which way then? You going to take this off me?
All the way around. So we got here in the early evening last night. It was horrible weather. Today it's beautiful. Unfortunately we lost our sound to the video. We're going to take you for a walk around the site. We'll show you all the facilities, the toilets and the showers, etc. It's quite a large touring park. Here we've got the family shower room with the toilets. It's lovely and clean. There's lots of showers there with baby changing facilities. So you've got your showers and your toilet in this one, and then there's just separate toilets and showers further down. And then next door, just around the corner, we've got the chemical waste where you clean and empty your toilet. Lots of water there, and you can just flush it down there and clean it. And then just here we've got the laundry with lots of sinks in there to wash your clothes or to do your washing up, wash the dishes, and you've got a tumble dryer and a washing machine. Nice and clean again in there. And just around the corner next door we've got the ladies' shower and toilet block. Some nice sinks there. And then around the corner, lots of toilets, all lovely, spotless and clean. We don't really need these, but I don't mind using them because they are really nice. And then just around the corner, you've got the showers. There's 3 showers there, nice and clean again. Quite happy to be using all these facilities, although we'll probably use the van and occasionally use these. So we've come out. Oh, hi Rick. Just come out there. We're going to go to the reception. It's like a very big site. So we'll try to find our way around this place and show you.
There's a sign there.
Show you some of the facilities. We're near the facilities now. Don't know how much I'll be able to video. We'll do what we can. So that's the swimming pool. I don't think I'll be able to go in there with the camera. Amusements. Oh, smell the water. I think this is the swimming pool down here. Yeah, swimming pool down there. I won't be able to go in. This looks like the club for the evening. Smugglers. Amusement arcade. Where's Rick? There you are. What are you doing up there?
I'm out and about.
Oh, you're out and about. Gorgeous.
A nice little walkway.
I must admit, I haven't seen a nice haven resort look so nice like this. I think they're actually seats.
Yeah.
So there's a dining restaurant here. Headlands. Oh, it's an owners club. So if you own a static caravan here, this is where you go. There's a map here. So it looks like you come in here, all the way around here. The reception's around here somewhere. We followed it all the way around here and up here to the touring area. Chopsticks noodle bar, I'll have some of that. Yum yum.
There's the reception for the caravan stayers.
The static
caravans.
Yeah. There's a mini market there as well for your bits and bobs.
Memories of when I used to empty pillar boxes.
So then there's a lovely garden with seats. Nice garden with seating around. And I believe further down there is a pathway down to the beach, which is quite a rocky walk down, I think.
Nice picnic area for beach burger bar.
Lovely. Looks like there's a big fishing boat down here. Is it a fishing boat or is it a coast guard?
Fishing boat, lifeboat.
It's quite old. Football pitch.
A little football pitch.
A little small.
I think if it was me, we
Quite hilly.
Yeah, you want to play downhill. No half time, just one half.
The Friendly Forester was built in Liverpool and was presented to the RNLI in celebration of the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II. She served at Flamborough from 1953 to 1983. In 1998 she was sold out of service to a maritime museum on the Isle of Wight. Since October 19 she's been proudly on display right here at Thornwick Bay Holiday Park in Flamborough, Yorkshire. Okay, we're going to take a walk up to the rocks and see what it looks like. It's quite a long walk. There's lots of different paths you can take. And at the top of the cliff here we have the Thornwick Bay Cafe, where you can get your usual breakfast or lunch, chips, burgers, etc. But most importantly, coffee. Yay!
I can see our house from here.
Not too sure about that, Rick. Back down on the park there's an activity barn where they offer quite a lot of activities, fun activities, sports for your children, and they do have adult bike hire too. They have the four-wheeled cart hire along with the children's bike hire, and they do archery, football, climbing wall, junior segways, and they do have a dartboard football, which sounds fun. There are the four-wheel carts just there.
Just got back. Lovely cup of tea.
No, it's got to be coffee, Rick.
Coffee?
Coffee, definitely coffee. There you go. Coffee, biscuit and cake. cake. I'm not meant to be eating these, but this is my birthday cake. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, dear Jules. Happy birthday, dear Jules. Happy birthday to you. And one from me.
Oh! Wow. Wowzers. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this.
Is it what you've always wanted?
It is. Well, not always. I'm sitting in what I always wanted. Join us again on the next one, where we visit the Harrogate Motorhome Show and see what Scarborough has to offer. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when our next video is ready for you. Thanks guys.